Good day, ma'am. My name is Jomaric P. Montilla from BCS 3E. I am here to share with you my virtue idol and who I admire the most. The person who stands out most as my virtue idol is my father. His name is Riboy O. Montilla. He is the person I only think I admire the most. The reason why I choose my father as my virtue idol is because he is the best of all the people I know from my whole existence in this world. He has been not only my idol but also my own hero and my shelter since I was a kid. He always protects me from any danger or any situation that will harm me. He possesses the characteristic of being truthful, faithful, respectful, a good provider, kindness, honest, and most of all, a loving father to his children and wife. The way my father shows virtue is not through words, but through the actions he shows to our family. Out of all my 100 role models, his virtues are what I value most and always fill my heart and thoughts. My father is very hardworking person. He always fulfills his duties and obligations, whatever the needs of the family. He will never complain. Instead, he always provides for our needs. Besides, he is always willing to help and possesses a wonderful ability to connect with others. My father demonstrates his compassion by doing good things, which include helping a neighbor in need and volunteering at community activities. Saying how much he loves doing those things has motivated me to have a similar level of compassion in my own life. One of the characteristics I love most about my father is his patience with us, even if there are days or times that we have a misunderstanding. I can see in his eyes that he is trying to understand us despite the problems that came. In addition, I am amazed by my father's great wisdom. He has a remarkable talent for solving difficult challenges and providing helpful advice. His knowledge of human behavior comes from his life experiences and natural awareness of it. His advice has often provided me with direction and clarity when I am facing difficulties. I have learned from him the value of seeking information from every experience, no matter how small, and the importance of continuing to learn. That's why I am proud to see that my virtue idol is my father. Thank you.